Hello everyone, welcome back to the new video in front-end development. In this video, we learn about the grid system in Bootstrap. For this, I simply go to the getbootstrap.com and click to CSS. After that, I click to the grid system. So, what is grid system? Grid system is basically helps to divide this entire screen into a different columns. Grid system help to implement the particular part in different column. So now we see how grid system define the columns or divided into the columns. For this, I simply go to the example stack to horizontal. In this section, we see how columns used in grid system. So remember one thing, our entire screen value is 12. So whenever we design our screen, we define our default value is 12. Now in this part, we see our screen size is divided into 12 part. Each part value is 1. This is the first part and this is the 12th part. If we equals this 1 value, it's turned into the 12. In this way, we can divided our screen into 12 part to give it the value equals to 1. If we want to divide this value 1 and use it into your code, you just simply copy this code and paste to your IDE. After that, in here we want to divide our screen into two parts. One is 8, another is 4. Okay, this is this 8 and this 4. If we added it, it's turned into 12. If we divided our screen size into 3 equal part, then we use 4, which is also equals to 12. After that, we use our screen size divided into two parts. For this, we use 6 and 6. Okay, here all the code available here. You simply just copy and paste it. Okay, now we see how the grid option works. If we want to design our screen for large or desktop devices, we use .col-lg. Okay, if we want to design our screen for medium size desktop or devices, we use .col-md- and our screen size. In this way, small size device for small sm and extra small size for xs. Okay, and always remember that our colon is 12, and when we design our column, it's always inside the row. Okay, now we see a live example of this grid system. For this, I go to the Bugcrowd website, and here you can see this entire part. Okay, to here, this part divided into 3 sections. This is the one. This is the col 4. Okay, column 4, and this is column 4, and this is column 4. 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals to 12. Okay, in this way we can divided our screen. Now we see how it's work in real life. Okay, for this I want to divide our screen 8 plus 4. For this, I simply copy this code, okay, and paste it to our IDE. Here I already create a simple Bootstrap file. Just click to file and new Bootstrap file and save it, and I also click here a style.css file. Inside the div and class container, I simply paste my code and save it. Just align your code and save it. Now we go to our CSS part, and here I defined some classes for our future help. Okay, so I give a class H and give it value to height is 300 pixel. After that I create a red class and I create a red class and give it value to red, and now I create a blue class blue. Now I create a black class and give the background color is black, and in this way I also create two more classes like green and give it to background color green. Now I create a aqua class and give it background color to aqua and save it. Okay, now I go to our column in this part, call -md-8 and save it. And now I go to our live preview. Here you can see this is our screen which is divided into 8 and 4. To better understand, I give it to some classes and it helps to it better understand. Okay, now I give a height. For height I use H class. After that I give a color. For color I use red and green and save it. Okay, now you can better understand. This is our 8 and this is our 4. Total is 12. Now we want to divide this 8 into 2 parts. For this I simply go to here and delete this. Inside this division I create another row. For this I type div row. Inside div row I also create a div call typing mistake, div call -md-4. I want with 2, so into 2 angular bracket and tab, but this value is not 12. 4 plus 4 equals to 8, so I give this value is 12. Okay, and save it and give a name A and B and save it. Go to our browser and refresh it. You can see our 8 part is divided into 2 parts, A and B. B is 8 and A is 4. To better understand, I give a color and we understand it better. For this I type black and aqua and save it. Okay, now you can see this is our 4 and this is our 8 and this is another 4. The total screen size is for 12. It is at first we divided it into 8 plus 4. After that we divided this 8 in 8, 4 plus 8. when we divided this 8, we assign the value of 12. After that assign the value of 12, we also divided this 8 4 plus 8. Okay, in this way grid system helps to divided our screen into a many way. You can spend some time here and you will understand how grid system work. And you can, if you want to choose another website, like if you want to choose the, okay, I give a website that you will understand better. For this you guys can go to the W3 school, and here you can understand the grid system more, or spend some time here and you will master in grid system. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, share and subscribe. Peace.